Hello, friends, colleagues, teammates. Sounds familiar? Let me change the track. Hello, fighters. Hello, soldiers. And why not? The work that we do is no different than the work that our soldiers do at the front. That's called warfare. This is called marketing warfare. I relate to you. Several years ago, I've been in a position like you. I know what you go through on a 12-hour daily routine. It's fight all the way. And why shouldn't it be? After all, we don't expect our competitors to be nice to us. Nobody's going to give us a market share on a platter. We need to do a set of things to win share, win hearts, win the consumer's delight. It is a game of snatch and give all the way. You need to figure it out what side you are in. And I'm sure, like me, you're also on the side of snatching that share away from the competition and bring it to your company. That's all about marketing warfare. You do that, we are here to support you there. Look at that, what we as an organization have been able to put through over the several years. To win in this marketplace, we have the requisite spectrum that we need, be it 2G, 3G or a CDMA as a technology. We have the essential fiber, which is the backbone of delivering any data throughput, is on ground, standing behind you in the fight that you execute on a daily basis. But there comes a time and a moment when we need to go away from the routine, set on a journey that will create path-breaking performance, excellence on the ground, and set the organization in a new journey from here on. So, we believe today is the right moment. When we announced the foreign travel scheme to all of you, there was a purpose behind it. We are into the best of the business time. This is a time of festivities. Consumer mood is positive. We have left behind all that could cripple our business. We have set that right together with you, be it a financial incentive, be it a marketing support, be it a process support, or be it anything that we could put together to enable you and support you to go and get that extra inch of space in the marketplace. But as they say, that strategy is as good as its execution. And that's where we need to score a big time starting today. We've set out a journey of 90 days for you to battle it hard in the market and earn that extra space for the company, and in terms expect to be rewarded. Because at the end of the day, in our jobs that we do through our career, reward and recognition plays an integral part to our journey. It helps us ignite passion. For successful people, it's far more organized than you have been yesterday, motivating the team below you, enabling them to do the right things, creating the right environment, putting all the elements of the company together at the execution layer, and then seeing to it that that bears fruit. That all of you who do 100% and above their targets fly with us to either Thailand or Dubai or Hong Kong and Macau as a team, leads as a team, clusters as a team, circles as a team, and we all get together in those exotic locations, enjoy 3 nights and 4 days, party all the way hard. After all, nothing succeeds like success. Now, why am I talking to you? Because you can make that difference. You are that chosen one who is carrying the brand ambassadorship of Reliance to the market, to our partners, to the entire ecosystem. You've been there, you have done that, and I see no reason why you will not outshine this time, or should I say, outshout competition. After all, I count on you. I rely on you. And I'm sure you're going to be a proud member of this winning team. This year, we promised to ourselves that RCOM, the legend, will return. And I think we are knocking on the door for that biggest opportunity staring at us. Next 8 months are a non-stop excitement. We have put together an array of things that we want to introduce and launch. And a Top Guns program is just the beginning of this. Our ability to give you even more exciting programs as we go forward in the future clearly depends on the success of it. It's you who's going to make all the difference that I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, our time has come. And it starts today. A company which is proud to have all the Top Guns like it. So, see you in Thailand, Dubai, or Hong Kong and Macau. I'm waiting to have that neat drink on the rocks with you. Good luck. All the very best.